Halal Chef presents. Assalamu alaikum, I hope you guys doing well. Halal Chef is back with another video, and this time we're making pakoras with chutney, an old school Indian or Pakistani snack. You know what, first of all, I just want to thank you guys for the 20k subscribers. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate your support. Let's get started. Grab a bowl, add in the chopped potatoes. In goes the beautiful onions, again chopped. Finely chopped coriander, some yogurt for a really good taste, our beautiful spices. Now watch really carefully, we're going to add in the ground flour. This is super fine, yeah? So we're just going to throw that in. Just grab a touch of water and we're just going to start mixing it nice and slowly. Bring it all together. As you can see, everything has come together, and now we can obviously start cleaning it up. Smells very good, and this is what you're looking for, yeah? Get the oil temperature to medium hot. What's going on here? Oh my days, it keeps moving round and round. Subhanallah, man. But anyways, I just put a little dough just to make sure, you know, everything is nice and hot, and just gonna take it out. Alright guys, with the help of a spoon, I'm just gonna add our pakoras in there, yeah? So there you go, first one. Don't need to add too much, just a layer, yeah? Alright, so let them cook until nice and brown. As you can see, I'm slowly turning them. Look at that, beautiful color, amazing. Want a bit of crisp on that? Look at that, so nice. As you can see, the fritters have this beautiful color. I'm just gonna remove it onto this tray here. Newspaper to catch all the oil. Look at those, so nice. Look at that, beautiful. I'm so hungry, man. Now for the sauce, we're gonna add this beautiful fresh coriander in there. It's gonna be amazing, trust me. Get the beautiful mint. Finally, we got some green chilies, so I'm just gonna throw them in there. I'm gonna add a good pinch of salt in there, touch of water, just so that everything gets blended nicely. Close with the lid. Now let's blend this. Amazing. So now in this bowl here, I'm just gonna add this yogurt in, nice and easy. Add in that beautiful mixture we made just now. There you go. Just add some water in there and get all of it. So in goes the water, just a little bit. Oh, here's some milk, so I'm just gonna add that in there as well. Just gonna give it a really nice texture. I'm just gonna whisk this up, yeah? Looks really good in it. I can smell that fresh mint, you know, that chili. Oh, just have a little taste. Oh man, look at that. Wow. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. Looks delicious, look at it. I've got here a bit of chili as well. Bismillah. Wow. So man, delicious. Oh, bit of chili sauce. Taste is amazing. Look at that. Beautiful chili, a bit of yogurt. You gotta try this. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Take care, enjoy my videos. Like I said, if you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comment below, and inshallah we'll try to look at them and hopefully do them for you guys. Salam.